Hi everybody and welcome to In the Kitchen with Alethea. I'm just finishing washing my hands. So today we're going to do a salad. I like to eat salad sometimes for lunch and I'm in the mood for salad. So today we're going to do a Santa Fe Southwestern salad, chicken salad. So take a look at the apron that I'm wearing. It's the black apron from the In the Kitchen with Alethea merch. It's got the logo on it. It's got the adjustable strap here that you guys can adjust it to your liking. And this is the back of it. It's got the strings there that you could see. So it's available now at the website aletheakitchencorner.com. And hopefully you guys like it. Let me know what you think. Before we get started with our cooking, guys, I want you to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. I hope that you like the content that I put out, and if there's something specific that you want me to cook for you, send me a comment and let me know what things that you like and what you would want to see on my channel. So I've already washed my hands, and let's get started with our Santa Fe Southwestern salad that we're making today. So I have here in a bag that I've got from the supermarket. I always tell you guys to get one of those bags that you can get from the vegetable area where you put your vegetables in. Get some of those extra ones so when you're marinating your meat, it's easy cleanup. So I've got one chicken breast here that I have put in this bag. It's already been washed, and I'm going to season it. But before we get started with our seasoning, we're going to start with some herbs here. In the bowl, I have some chives, some dill, and also some oregano and parsley. So we're going to chop that up so that we can put it on our chicken. So let's just chop that up. Let me turn it so you guys can see. And I'm just chopping up chives here so you guys can see that. And I'm just chopping away. We have our dill here and a little bit of parsley. Okay, so we're going to put some of it in the bowl, and some of it is going to go for the chicken because we're also making a dressing for our salad. So we're going to put some of it in the bag with the chicken. It's going in the bag with the chicken. And then we're going to add some spices to our bag for the chicken. So we're going to add some onion powder, we're going to add some garlic powder, I'm going to add some of my everyday seasoning. And this has got some paprika, some garlic, some herbs, some other spices in it. We're going to add some black pepper. And then we're going to add a little bit of oregano. And then you want to twist your bag and then massage this seasoning in your meat. Just like that. So you get all the seasoning in the meat. And you're doing it in the bag where there's easy cleanup. But also your meat is also getting seasoned at the same time. So we're going to sear these chicken breasts for the salad. Make sure that you are covering both sides of your chicken breast with the seasoning. Make sure you get it in there. Got to season both sides, right? Okay. So we're going to set this aside a minute. And I'm going to wash my hands. Okay guys, so I've washed my hands. And move these to the side so that they're out of our way. Okay guys, so we're gonna start our chicken. And we're using the Pompeian olive oil today. It's the EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. And you can find this in your regular supermarket. If not, they have it at Amazon. I'll leave the link in the video for you guys. In case you can't find it, you can always get it from Amazon. So I'll leave the link for you. So we're going to cook our chicken on the medium low. Just put about 1.5 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil in the pan. So let's just swirl around. Just swirl around your oil in your pan so that you're going to cook your chicken evenly. Just going to put my gloves on so that when I put my chicken in, keep my hands nice and clean. Also guys, I don't know if you noticed that I'm wearing the In the Kitchen with Alethea hat. We have this in black and also in pink. Not pink, also in black and also in white. It's got the logo on it. In the back, it's got the hole for your ponytail. Also, it has an adjustable strap. It's all cotton and it's very, very comfortable. It's on sale now on my website, AletheaKitchenCorner.com. That's where you can find all the In the Kitchen with Alethea merch. You can find this apron. Also have a black t-shirt with the logo on it, the white t-shirt with the logo on it, and there's a white hat as well with the logo on it. So all those items are on sale now at In the Kitchen with Alethea. And the website for that is AletheaKitchenCorner.com. Okay guys, so our oil is ready so that we can get our chicken in for our Santa Fe Southwestern salad that we're making. So we have our chicken breast that we've seasoned to perfection. It's going to go in. We're going to put that one in as well. And then we're going to let that cook. Let you guys see what it looks like. See that? Let the chicken cook in. So we're going to let that cook for a few minutes. Okay. So we're going to put our top over it and let that cook on medium low. And so we're going to finish making our salad here. So we have our cutting board that we're going to use to get our other things ready. In a bowl here, I have some lettuce that we're going to use.